Yo, good morning, everybody. And we're getting breakfast right now. Woo, sorry, my brakes. Woo, those brakes. Yeah, we gotta change those brakes. But anyways, we're grabbing some breakfast. We just finished up some Amazon Flex, but I wanted to kind of piggyback on a video that was already, pretty much put out and give my thoughts on the whole subject at hand. But first, let's get some breakfast. All right, so you guys may have caught Sneed's video where he was talking about a notification that he got from Boost Mobile regarding his data usage, right? And in the video, he explains that you know they claim that he literally used over 800 plus gigs of data, apparently, and he's only halfway through his bill cycle. Now, this is a problem that I've been saying for months, even for a whole year. I've been telling everybody there is an issue with Boost Mobile. There's an issue with data calculations on Boost Mobile. But the sad part is that Boost doesn't recognize they have a problem. Like, they will deny the problem. I have seen people who have only been in their second day of their bill cycle, and already the system says that they used over 30 gigabytes of data and they're throttled for the rest of the bill cycle. So that's like 28 days of being on throttled, unusable speeds. In fact, that's actually happened to my wife twice. On During the time it was Boost Infinite. She was on day one of her new bill cycle, and all of a sudden in the Boost Infinite app, it said that she had used 30 gigs of data. And it was even crazy because one of those times she added on the speed pass to get an additional 10 gigs of data. And in less than 24 hours, that whole 10 gigs was gone. And she was slowed down again. So there is a problem. The problem on top of the problem is that the system is calculating wrong. But the problem that's on top of that is that Boost denies it. And they tell you when you call in, and you can make a valid argument, hey, it's only been one day. I didn't use 30 gigs. How does it calculate it? They won't fix it. They don't have a way to fix it. Honestly, from my time being there, and I know it's not exactly the same today as it was a year ago, but from my time being there was nothing that we could do to add on more data. There was nothing. And they had no tricks like, restarting a person's bill cycle or anything like that. They didn't do that. We were not allowed to do that. So I can say this. Boost Mobile does have a big problem. They have lots of problems. Their calculation on the system for data usage is atrocious. Their math skills are, it's so feeble. You explain that they incorrectly bill you, and they don't even actually do the right billing, even though you spend a whole bunch of time explaining exactly how they should fix your bill according to what you did, and their math is just not mathing. So I just wanted to speak on that, validate, Sneed's video on what he's saying. Obviously, he shows you guys a screenshot of the email that he got, but he's not the only one. It's not a very minor case of it. It's a major case of it. There are a lot of customers who go through this experience. And yeah, Dish needs to correct that ASAP if they want to remain and be a fourth carrier, because the name Boost Mobile's already tarnished over years of bad customer service. And then these types of things doesn't really help its case in becoming a good competitor in the telco race. So I just want to put that out there. Thanks for checking out today's video. Smash the like button, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Law.